The stress of thermal styling, the drying effects of coloring, the harm of pollution and UV rays, the friction of combing and brushing, the strain of excessive washing have met their match. A historic breakthrough in hair care technology, a defining leap forward in strengthening and damage repair. A MONAT-exclusive formula for bond repair from the inside out. The healthy hair revolution continues. Introducing MONAT Damage Repair. Bond Support Shampoo. Bond Building Hair Treatment. Bond Support Mask. Bond-Fortifying Leave-In Cream. Featuring MONAT-exclusive Mana Soaps, Desert Date Oil, Red Seaweed Extract, Rejuvenique, and Rejuvabeads. A complete customizable system providing both instant strengthening and time-release bond repair for immediate and long-lasting results. MONAT Damage Repair. Bond-building repair for visibly healthier hair. MONAT, we are modern nature.